bafethu sengibuyile Mshoza ubuye nani phethe izinja zami mfana kuhlanyisa botleva la ngena khona mfana khonkotha amaphova huf wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi Mshoza ipoza mangaqwala ingami ngithi elova woza ngikuvalele khoneni uzobona mehlenyoka bangibiza superwoman njengoBrenda Fasino lebumathosa I stay on top njenge Sheboze Kota mengaqwala ngawe ngizosethu Willis 96 Thula mabota unguza amakhoneni unguza emaphepheni unguza stimeleni futhi bakuze bonke wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi Mshoza ipoza ka.
Yeah, so tell me what's going on with you at the moment.
I'm busy recording the album Kwaito. I've worked with different people though, DJs as well. I do have my tracks for house, but what I know is that Mshoza is coming back with a bang. So that's what I'm busy with. My album is called Rebirth, True Love, Rebirth. I'm featuring DJ Clock, DJ Bongs, Sindo, Bar. I'm featuring a lot of people, hey? And it's a beautiful album. I'm not done yet, but the single is out. It's called True Love, featuring DJ Bongs.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in a video as well. You can go on YouTube and check it. It's been playing on Nagma TV stations. Yeah, so that's what I'm busy with right now, and I'm busy trying to dance more than Michael Jackson and Chris Brown. Like, that's what I'm trying to do, you know. Give me 3 months, I'll be there.
Is it? And what's the inspiration behind your album, your new album, Rebirth?
Rebirth, I guess finding myself again after everything that I've been through, and getting to know my crowd and knowing, being content. Like, you know, when you're recording, it's more like you're telling a story. So I'm grown enough to know what story I want to tell. I've been through a lot, but I can choose now. This is what I want them to know.
You're a mother of 2. How are the kids doing?
Oh man, my kids are doing well. They're growing up like any other child, and I'm glad I took them to their father, so they're staying with Granny. So we're both parenting. So they grew up well. They're normal kids. They're not your celebrity kind of kid. Because I wanted them to enjoy, because I didn't enjoy my childhood. So they're doing well, I must say.
All right. And what are you excited about at the moment besides your album? What else is Mshoza excited about?
You know, there's a lot to hey. We'll have to sit down and then I'll count. Do you want to sit?
Yes.
Okay. My album, obviously, Rebirth. And there's a lot of things that I'm doing. I'm doing a song with an international artist that I will not name at the moment. And my love life.